Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about aerospace and aeronautical engineering. The reason why I thought about doing this is because many students find it confusing. Some think they both are same and some think they are not much different. So in this video, we're going to look into this, and this video will be categorized into three parts. First will be definition, where we'll talk about the differences, similarities, and what courses you can expect if you're going to pursue one of these. Second, we'll talk about scope, job market, and what you can expect professionally, what companies you can expect to work for in either. And third, I'll give you my opinion on which one I think is the best for you. But keep in mind that it will be an opinion based on my experiences. So if you're going to pursue one of these degrees, you should do your own research and go for what passionates you. So let's begin. Okay, so in similarity, they both study about flight stability, aircraft mechanics, aerodynamics, and common engineering issues. But they do have some differences as well. In the case of aeronautical engineering, it's a study of flying vehicle, aircraft, helicopters, or any vehicle, flying vehicle which is within the Earth's atmosphere. So you can expect to learn about engineering thermodynamics, aircraft stability control, aerodynamics, combustion engines, and so on. A thing about aeronautical engineering is that it is a more dedicated field as compared with aerospace. What I mean to say is it is more like a specialization in itself. So you will study mainly about aeronautical only. In the case of aerospace, similar to aeronautical, it is also a study of flying vehicle, aircraft, and helicopters. But in this case, we will study about aircraft, helicopters which are within and also out of Earth's atmosphere. So you can expect to study about rockets, satellites, spacecraft, or even space stations. For example, a couple of months back there was a Mars helicopter. So if you're going for aerospace, you can expect to work in projects like those. And in the case of aerospace, if you notice, aerospace has many fields in itself. So to make it easy to understand, aerospace is the main category in which aeronautical and astronautical engineering are subcategories. So aerospace has got a bit of everything from other engineerings as well. Talking about scope, well, both of the fields are not going to end anytime soon. Aviation in itself keeps advancing, so you can expect growth in both the cases, aeronautical and aerospace, because we keep on making new technologies to explore and to enhance and become more efficient in our technologies. So you should not be scared about the job market. And if you're going for aeronautical, you can expect to work for companies like Boeing or Airbus or any company which is making aircraft, helicopters which are operating within the Earth's atmosphere. In the case of aerospace, you can go for space companies as well, and also aeronautical companies, such as in space companies you can go for SpaceX, NASA, or stuff like that. And in some cases, aeronautical engineers can also work for space companies, but for that I think you have to do specialization in some sort of space course in your aeronautical engineering bachelor's or master's. Finally, I'll give you my opinion, but keep in mind this is my own opinion based on my own experiences, and I'm not going to say this because I have a degree in aerospace. But I personally think that aerospace engineering would be a much better choice when it comes to choosing between these two. The reason is simple, because in aerospace engineering you are provided with much more opportunities, you have much more career paths, so it's a low risk. And if you're going for aerospace, you can expect to work for many different types of companies, different types of departments in aviation. Whereas in aeronautical you are limited with choices. So if for some reason you don't like spacecraft, which I don't know if there is someone who doesn't like spacecraft, you can go for aeronautical. At the end of the day, it is your own choice. You should do your own research and go for what passionates you. And that's all for this video. If you like it, please hit subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them. And thanks for watching.